Namaskar. In this video, I have taken the queries received from some of the viewers that when they access the e-office videos, they sometimes get confused as viewers visit to these videos either from Google search or YouTube search or from somewhere they get the link of these videos as what YouTube suggests on the basis of your search. For example, someone searched file management system, then it will show related videos which may not be from same channel. Let me know. Let me show it in browser for more clarity. So I will open any browser and I will enter youtube.com. Now assume that I want to know about eOffice, so I will type in search box eOffice naturally and press enter. So in a while results related to it is showing now. In this result, what happens, this is on top is channel name, e-office basic informations, etc. Okay, below is list of latest videos of this channel. In today's date, this is the latest video, that is what if size of receipt is more than 20 MB, video is uploaded on this channel. Likewise this one before that one and below this one. Likewise here we can see order of uploading. This video here is the memory issue related, mobile related. This is not exactly related to eOffice, but as it was uploaded on this channel and when it was uploaded, it must be coming on the top at that time, right? So some gets confused as some only want content related to eOffice only. Then one more point, that earlier I was making videos in Hindi only on eOffice and later receiving requests from many who don't understand Hindi. I still not done anything around 2 years for them, but requests were coming continuously. So in last 1 month I created English version of all those videos. Some of the latest videos to be converted which will be available in English version as earliest possible. So intention of this video is that some viewers when see Hindi videos, then I should get only Hindi videos link. In English I don't want, but there is no control on this on YouTube. They have their own algorithm. If I will go in this video and it is in Hindi, but as a suggestion of next video it will show the English version of this, so we will see the way to not face such problems here. First way is click on the above this channel name first. When you click on it, on next screen this will come. Okay, let me stop this video here, it will otherwise disturb. In this screen here playlist shows. From here also above also you can see the playlist. Here is created playlist, here written e-office videos English series, then technical basics in Hindi and e-office videos Hindi series, 3 playlists. If you are comfortable in Hindi, then visit this e-office videos Hindi series in which you will get all the Hindi videos, and if you prefer English then click on this English one, you will get all the English one. The technical basics I created on request of some, that some basic important facts can be taught, as in our government offices have senior aged officials, they are not that technical, for them it was a try just, and took topics I felt is useful for many of the viewers. Young people must be knowing all this much better. They can give their suggestions in comments so that it may be taken care. Second way is click on this above. I will come above and show there. Second way is this, we can click this playlist. Here you will see 3 playlists so that you can select any one of your choice. This is liked video for me, it will not show in your case as it is my login, and videos liked by me will show in this playlist, no concern of yours. So you will have English series, Hindi series and technical basics playlist here. You can go to anyone which is preferable to you. My suggestion is, if you understand Hindi, you must see these technical topics as well, as I did more hard work on these than on e-office related stuff. Now this I will show the I will show this video tab. Click on this. Whenever you visit any channel, my suggestion is do not come to video tab, as it have many number of videos uploaded in the channel. Its history comes from first to latest video, but it will confuse anyone that which one is, in my channel case, in Hindi, which one is in English, as complete name of title not shown. You will click unnecessary on videos to see, and if it is of no use then you will feel irritated. So I showed the right way to browse videos on a channel, so that those are getting English videos after Hindi videos as a suggestion, etc. So playlists are the best option for all of us. This way the purpose of this video, was the purpose of this video. In generally, I have never asked in any video that like, share, or subscribe videos or channel. But in this video, I will suggest to subscribe so that you will receive alert whenever new videos gets uploaded, so that you will not confuse at any point of time when you visit the playlist that which videos I have seen and which videos came after the last I saw. It is up to you only, no issue in this. I'm just ending this small video here with a hope that it will help many of the viewers. Thank you all of you.